Last year, OpenAI provided access to the public for its AI chatbot called ChatGPT. This was based on the GPT 3.5 language model. As of this week, ChatGPT is now using the GPT-4 language model for premium subscribers. In this video, we'll have a look at how you can get access to it, what sets it apart from the old language model, and what new things it can do. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this small channel grow. So let's start with how you can access the ChatGPT version that uses the new GPT-4 language model. You need to log in with your OpenAI account. I'll leave a link to the login page in the description for quick access. Once you have a chat open, then you need to go to the bottom left of the screen and select Upgrade to Plus and pay the £20 per month subscription. GPT-4 is not available to free accounts, unfortunately. Once you've upgraded to Plus and started a new chat, you'll see this drop-down box. This will let you set the language model. Just choose GPT-4 and you're good to go. The current cap on usage is 100 messages every 4 hours. You also get priority during busy times. So what sets it apart from the old model? To start with, it can process up to 25,000 words at once. That's 8 times more than the old model. Most users likely won't need to go anywhere near that limit, but it could prove useful when trying to analyze large volumes of text or perhaps even entire books. In OpenAI's example, they have asked it to describe Rihanna's Superbowl performance and what made it special. To give it context, they have linked the entire Wikipedia article on it. Pause the video here if you'd like to read the whole response in detail. What I think is the most exciting feature, and one that is frustratingly only available if you sign up for the API waitlist for now and get invited for access, is the new visual input feature. You can input a photo rather than text. In this example, it was provided with a photo of some ingredients and asked, "What can I make with these?" Here is the response. Very accurate and clearly understanding what each ingredient is. This is a feature I can see many people making use of when it comes to the public version of ChatGPT soon. I can also see it having many use cases beyond recipes. The third difference between GPT-4 and 3.5 is that OpenAI claim it is 82% less likely to respond for requests to disallowed content, and 40% more likely to provide factual responses than 3.5 was. This will hopefully prevent some of the cases of ChatGPT spitting out responses that are factually incorrect, such as dates events happened or place names. Will you be paying the $20 to try ChatGPT-4? And what will you use the image input feature for when it's released to the public? Please do subscribe if you found this interesting, and thanks for watching.